This video will explain how to change a Wi-Fi password in a few simple steps. First, you need to access your router's configuration page. How to access router's configuration page? It's easy. Open any browser on your Mac or PC and type in the router's IP address in the URL bar. The typical default IP address of a router is 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. You can also find the IP address on the back of your router. Now enter your router's username and password. How to change the Wi-Fi password? If you never change them, both the username and the password should be admin or user admin. Again, you can find it on the other side of your router. Once you log in, check the settings or wireless security section. In the password or key box, type in the new password and save it. That's it. You may have to reconnect all the devices on this network and enter the new password. Check out the 70% VPN discount link in the description. And if you liked this tutorial, please support by hitting like and subscribe. Thanks and see you on the next video.